Hey everybody, this is Ruben Restrepo, and I want to talk about some more accessories for guys to have. Now, why do I have my collar flipped up? It was because this is a cool look? No, that's not exact. No, not at all. What's the matter with you? Why are you thinking that? No, the reason is because I want to show you two accessories that you're going to have. One is basically going to be invisible. The other one is going to be very visible. So first, let's go with why don't I have the collars up? Bam. It's because these little things right here, they go into the collar. So you can see the little slip, right? Oh, this is a little more difficult than I thought. It goes in there and bam, it goes down. The next one, right? Just slips right in and it goes down. Obviously you have to fold over the collar all over, but it's a much sharper look and makes it pointy at the end, right? The next thing that I want to talk about, the tie bar. The tie bar is a really great accessory. Just end up putting it right there and bam. Now, are there any rules to the tie bar? Are there any, yes. The quick answer is yes. You want to make sure that the tie bar doesn't do this, right? Which is, it's skinnier at the top. So it's an exaggerated deal, right? But as you can see, the tie bar is going over a little bit, right? Now, skinny ties, you have a skinny tie, long tie bar, they don't go together. There are different size tie bars, shorter ones. You know, if it ends up looking a little bit like this, right? That's okay. It's okay to have extra fabric, but you don't want to do where it's going in there and it's hanging out. That's a fashion mistake. So, but these tie bars, they look really good. They make you look very sharp. So one is invisible that helps your collar actually dress out. Because if you don't have it, it can tend to curl, especially with the tie being right there, it tends to curl. And so you want it to point out, bam, helps out. This tie bar is just something else to make you look nice and snazzy. Well, that's it for this video. Please look out for some more videos. This is Ruben Restrepo signing off. So keep watching.